talk to throw a bone. For a while, I'm sleeping like a babe. The curiosity, get the Cadillac, you see. So leave me stranded on the carpet, head under the faucet. You're my alibi. It's fair enough you wanna cock it, hoping I'll forget following the night. We made a joke about the half-cut 80 metaphor, and lady made her cry. Well, luck's been changing and it's so apparent. Got a cold white rabbit's foot at home. What a way to start the day. Haven't seen it on the space. I love the scenery. My happiness is misery, and nothing's like it used to be. 'Cause everybody around me's feeling sorry for himself. So why the hell am I to blame? I never